One of these videos is a video that I filmed myself here on my closet. The other one is AI generated. Generating videos with AI has never been easier, and today I'm gonna teach you how to easily create videos with AI that you can showcase your products, use them for social media, your Pinterest profile, or even for ads or for your website. You can generate videos to showcase a product, to create content, to show outfits, even to create tutorials. Let me show you how to do that. Today I will be using some tools inside of Higgsfield AI that has the advantage of having so many AI tools all inside of the same platform. So you can create videos and images all in the same place. To start, I will show you how to create outfit videos like the one that I just showed you before with AI. So let's jump on my computer and let's go to Higgsfield AI so I can show you all my workflow and how you can create them, both just imagining your outfit, or you can even add products that exist like affiliate marketing links, or you can also add your own products to showcase that.
Okay, so we are inside of Higgsfield AI and we're gonna first create an image. This is a platform very complete that you can do image, video, you can edit. There's many things you can do here. But we're gonna start to create an image so we have the base for the video. Okay, so we are here and we're gonna create it. The first thing is that I want to use is the Nano Banana Pro. And the size, because we are doing a social media video, I will go with 9x16. At first, let's generate with 2K, and then after we can upscale it. So I'm gonna first add, because I want my image to be in my exact closet, also select a photo of myself. And now you're gonna work with the prompt. I already wrote it. Okay, so a stylish photo of this woman standing in her closet. That's a attached photo, taking a mirror selfie. The phone is in front of her face, covering it. She's wearing a camel tan long wool coat with notched labels and gold buttons, one open over beige turtleneck sweater tucked into black pleated miniskirt with gold belt buckle, black knee-high leather boots, oversized dark sunglasses, elongated silhouette, sophisticated minimalist aesthetic, minimalist polished aesthetic with clean lines and tailored silhouettes. The closet has a soft natural color palette with gray carpet and modern feminine decor. So let's go with that and see what's gonna bring us. Here are the images. I'm so excited. I already told you how I love Nano Banana Pro in other videos, and look how great they are. It looks like my real background, the one that I uploaded right here. I think I didn't show you. Like, this is the photo that I uploaded together with a photo of myself. And we have the options here. I will probably go with this one. Okay, so this is the one that I want to use it. And I want to remove some of the pieces of my clothing so I can add them later. I want to create the different variations of the images that I want for my video. So we're gonna go to edit and we are going to invent. So it's gonna use the very same image that we created here. So let me just load it here. That's the last image that I created. Okay, so we're just gonna paint here. I want to add the bag. Add a small black leather bag. You could also upload a photo of the bag here, but just so. Okay, so now we have the photo with the bag. That's the full complete outfit. Let's say the final look. And now I'm gonna create all the images until we arrive at this one. So I will do one without the coat and without the bag, because we already have one with just the coat and no bag. So remove the coat and the bag. Then after that, I'm also gonna ask to remove the boots. And then I will give a little movement, thinking about maybe a tapping on the shoulder. And then when she taps, she's gonna change not change the outfit, but add another piece. So let me just generate all of them. Okay, so now I have the photo with no coat and no bag. And from this one, I'm gonna ask to remove the boots. But then standing just in the right side of the one. Okay, so here's the photo with the boots by her side. So now we have kind of almost all the photos. Like for this one, I want her to get the boots and then we'll show her with the boots on. And then now I want her to tap her shoulder from this one. I want to generate one. She's tapping her shoulder and then the coat is going to show up. Here's the image. She's tapping here. And then I want that when she taps her shoulder, she's going to show in the coat. Let me see if it was this one. No, this has the bag. Let me just find the one with the coat and no bag. So we can connect the photos. Okay, this one is the original one. Let me open again on the Paint. And we're going to add her the same movement so we can connect after the photos. So same one, of course, so we can have the right movement. Here's the photo as she's tapping her shoulder. Then I noticed that I want actually another one of her like this, but she's touching. Let me paint this one, but I want one that she's actually touching the boots. She has like in her hand or something like that. She's holding, maybe she's holding. Okay, we are almost done with the image generations and then we're going to go straight to the video generation. So here's the last one. Okay, so now we're going to try the new tool called Cinema Studio from Higgsfield and we're going to create the video. So we're going to first choose the start frame. It's going to show all your recent generations here. So the first one that I want is the one that she's not wearing the boots or anything. This one. This is going to be the start one, and the end one is the one that she's wearing the... No, actually the one she has the boots on her hand. So it will be this one. Okay, so we have the aspect ratio 9:16 because we want a video for social media. Here's, I already had the prompt and it basically says no cuts, no transitions, no subtitles. Just say here that the woman is barefoot, the first image, and she's gonna get her boots with her left hand. So let's generate this one. This is gonna be the first, one of the first ones. Now, while it's generating, I start to create the other one so we can keep it up. So after she gets the boots, I want the one that she's gonna put the boots on, which will be the start one, this one, and the one that she has the boots on her hand. And the end frame is gonna be the one that she has the boots on her foot. I already had the prompt, I'm just gonna copy it. This is the second prompt. It's the one that I want to do something like it was cut. Like if I was filming, I would get the boots, put them near my feet, and then in the next cut, they will be on my feet. So it's like a magic. So this is kind of my prompt. And I'm gonna generate this one. And so while it's generating, let me go. So this is the first one, the start scene, and this is the end one where she's gonna touch her shoulder, and then after we're gonna get the new outfit. So let's generate this one. Let me see. Okay, it's still a bit weird. It's not what I wanted, but actually this gave me another idea. I will start with her just holding the boots. Yeah, I will do something else. So this one is going to be useful. Let me just put a little heart and we will be able to use this one. I just had another idea that I will go with. So while it's generating this one, that's just going to tap on her shoulder and it's going to show the coat, which was this one. Okay. Now we're going to want the next scene, which is she's tapping the coat. The shoulder with the coat, and then we're gonna have this one, I guess. Yes, so we're just gonna say that she's removing her hand from the shoulder out. I know it can be a bit confusing while doing it all, but it will make sense in a second. What I'm asking in this one is that she's touching her shoulder and she will just remove her hand. Okay, let me see this one. Okay, she's tapping here. Great. We can use this one as well. So she's gonna tap here, and then here we have generating the video when the code is gonna show. Now all we need to do is to have the bag. So actually my start frame is this one with no bag. This is the photo. And the end frame, it's gonna be the one she also has the bag. This one, so I want her to get the bag from out of the scene. The prompt is that I want her to get the bag from out of the scene. Let's generate this one. And then we're gonna start saving all the videos that we are going to use. So this is gonna be our first video with the change, of course. So let me save this one. Trust the process. Let me save also this one. Let's download it. Actually, not this one. Okay, this one is the one that she's tapping her shoulder. Then this one, let me see. Okay, she's removing the hand and kind of showing the outfit. Okay, great. So we're gonna download this one as well. And let's just get the last one so we can move on editing the video. And okay, so here's the video that was missing. Let me just download it. Okay, so now I'm Premiere Pro and I'm gonna quickly add the video. You can do it on your phone as well if it's easier. I'm just adding here because my personal videos usually are with some cuts that I have a piece, then I cut, I have another one. I don't know how to explain. I hope it's understandable. So I'm just gonna have this piece. I'm just gonna have the piece of holding the boots, then the boots appear on the foot, and then here's the tapping. This video, the tapping one, was a bit slow, so I actually made it 300 the speed. So as you can see, here's the translation. She's touching. It's like okay, let me just check if it's perfect timing. So it's just touching and then it changed the outfit. And then, okay, it's a bit slow here. So I'm just gonna make it a bit faster. This part of she going with the hand there. And also I'm gonna cut here because I have the other one that she's getting the bag. So it's just the part that she's going with her arm down. I think it's a bit slow. So I will just make this part a little faster. So maybe let's try 150. Okay. Is it? Okay, yeah, much better. Looks a little more realistic. So, okay, we have it here. Then we have the last one that's just catching the bag. Yes, this one. So I have the last one that's just getting the bag from the outside. And then finish outfit. Okay, so let me quickly rewatch it and see if I like it. So she's just holding her boots. Then we have her with the boots on and tapping. Okay, here maybe it's a little bit slow. I can make it the transition a bit better. So when she touches like this part, she touches, and then I would, if it was a real video, I would probably have it a bit faster. Yep, it's just removing the hand here. And okay, let's make it a little faster. Okay, yeah, so here also she goes there. Okay, this is starting the movement over here. Just like editing our normal video that I would do with my outfits. And there you go. We have, let's say, the final outfit. I would probably cut here.
And these videos you'll be able to use for your social media, for ads, for your website. You can use them for so many things. Now, if you are a creator and you're still not publishing on Pinterest, I need you to watch this next video because I will show you all the benefits and why you should be publishing on Pinterest as well.